Hi everyone, today let's unbox and test out my new M.2 NVMe SSD Enclosure. The model is M2PV-C3. Let's go ahead and open it. Inside the box, you have the USB 3.0 Type-C, and you have the option for Type-C to Type-C cable. You have the screw. You have a pretty solid aluminum enclosure here. Let's open it. Okay, let's have a quick rundown on the features. So it has superior heat dissipation, thin design on the surface that helps dissipate heat. It can transfer 1G in a second. It has a 2 terabytes large capacity, aluminum plate plus ABS material for protection from heat and physical protection of your SSD. It has auto sleep function that will enter sleep mode automatically after unused for 10 minutes. It is ultra compact shaped, packet sized with a 13.5mm thick, universal compatibility 2230, 2242, 22x60, 22x80 sizes of M.2 NVMe SSD. I'm going to use 22x80 size for this video. Here I use VNAND SSD 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2 500GB SSD. So let's plug it into my computer. I'm going to use the USB Type-C cable to Type A going to my computer, and now we can see it on my File Explorer. And that's it. This thing is working. I hope this video helped you out in choosing your M.2 SSD enclosure. If you have any questions on the video, just leave it on the comment section below. And thank you for watching.